Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam, and I talk about all kinds of sewing and quilting related things here on YouTube. So today, finally, I am able to introduce to you my newest quilt pattern. This is Tiny Checkers. This is a really fun, quick, beginner-friendly quilt pattern that you can use jelly roll strips or yardage to create. So this pattern includes 5 sizes. We've got baby, throw, twin, queen, and king. So you can use this pattern to make quilts for everybody if you want to. I'm very, very proud of this pattern. It is my first to release that I'm actually charging for. So I really hope that you guys like it and you enjoy it. Also included in the pattern is a bonus little throw pillow tutorial. So when you're creating these blocks, we have a little extra scrap left over from each block. And with that, you can make this cute little pillow. This is very fun, very cute, and it goes perfectly with the quilt. So that's a little bonus that's included in there. So this pattern is going to be listed on my website. I have a little shop section, and this pattern is the only thing in there right now. I have it listed in 2 separate listings. So there's the PDF version and the physical copy. So it wouldn't be confusing when you're ordering. You can go ahead and do that. I've got PayPal set up on there, so it's really easy to check out. Just let me know if you have any questions through the process. I'm happy to help. The links for the pattern will be down in the description box below. I will show you the physical copy of the pattern. So this is what it looks like. It's very cute. I'm super proud of these. They turn out great. On the back, you will find all of the fabric requirements for all of the sizes of quilts. Also included in the pattern, we have the scrappy kind of style where you use a jelly roll bundle. You can also use yardage. For the yardage, you can literally use as many fabrics as you want, but I included kind of a more minimal design for our other fabric requirement section. So I'm calling this the modern look. You can call it minimalist, whatever you want. Yeah, this is really beautiful. I'm actually planning on making one with Christmas fabric looking like this. So you'll see that later this month probably. We just go through in the pattern. I show you how to cut the fabric and block creation. There's the bonus pillow tutorial in there. And then we've got the quilt top construction broken down there, and then you actually get to see the size options that are included in there. I think that's important to include so you can actually see what those quilts will look like and what those sizes will be. So kind of helps you visualize what you're doing. We're going to have a physical copy. I got a nice little bundle here printed up. It's also available as a downloadable PDF. I did a survey probably about a month ago, kind of putting my feelers out there, trying to find out what people would prefer, a PDF or a physical copy. And it really seemed like it was about 50-50. Some people would like a physical copy, some people would like a PDF, some people didn't care, and some people said, I'm not buying any quilt patterns. And that's totally fine. You don't have to buy it. It won't hurt my feelings. It'll mean a whole lot if you do buy it. You don't have to. No pressure, of course. Yeah, that's the pattern. So in the PDF version, I've also included a coloring page. So it's basically the throw size quilt, which is a 72-inch square quilt top, and I've left it all blank. So you've got the little squares, and you can color it in and kind of play around with colors. So you can print that out as many times as you want. If you purchase the physical copy of the pattern and you would like to have that coloring page option to be able to print out, go ahead and shoot me an email and I can send you the PDF file for the coloring page. So then you can print that out at home and, practice your colors and figure out what you would like. That is Tiny Checkers. I really hope you guys love it. It's really fun, very quick to make. It only takes about, depending on your speed of sewing, you could get this quilt top made, the throw size quilt top made in 12 to 15 hours, which really isn't that long, especially when working with such small pieces. So I show you a cool shortcut in the pattern to be able to make these quilt blocks in record time. Yeah, just thank you all so much for watching the video. Thank you for your support. Go ahead and leave any questions about the pattern down in the comment section below. I'm happy to answer them. And just thank you so much to everyone who has shown interest in this pattern. I'm really excited to finally be able to introduce it to you, to tell you all about it. I did a tutorial a few weeks ago of how I quilted this with straight line quilting. So I've got little X's going through all of the white squares. So if you're interested in that tutorial, I will link it also down in the description box below so you can watch that if you're curious. So just thank you so much for watching. Thank you to everyone who's been so kind, and just have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.